Hi friends, how are you all? While going through life, there are many dangers. There are also many times when there is no one to help us, then we have to help ourselves. So how can you help if you have nothing? For example, you are going somewhere. Some strangers attack you. Now you have to protect yourself from them. If you have something for self-defense, then we have arranged a store with some great gadgets that you can use to scare away. So if you want to buy these products, you can check the link of the store in the description box on the channel. Thanks for watching the video.